What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Stephen Curry 2.0. Come on, bro. Welcome back to another video, man. So hopefully y'all do like the new background. I decided to change my background because, man, like, I don't even like the Chargers, bro. And I had the Chargers. Look, man, as you can see, I put, don't mind the Hennessy, bro. Don't mind the Hennessy now. Mama, if you watching this, I don't drink, I promise. The Chargers background is right there, and I just put my bed right there. I don't really watch football. I'm more of a basketball type dude, you feel me? But, don't get me wrong, I do know a lot about football, so it's not like I'm clueless like one of these white girls at Starbucks. Anyways, man, we're gonna go ahead and just get into the reaction. So we have a couple actual videos to react to. The first video is this girl, she was playing no games with the police, man. So they had her messed up type. Like, they went into her house without her permission. The cops, there was two of them. The police was actually in the house. We're gonna just go ahead and watch the video, man. How would y'all feel if y'all chilling and all of a sudden you hear on your fucking door and it's the police? Like, what you finna be, mad as hell? Or you gonna let them in? But anyways, man, we're gonna go ahead and just get into the reaction. If y'all do like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I ain't gonna be uploaded every single day. We're gonna get in this reaction, bro. Damn, bro's is really in this girl house, man. Why is the dude so close to this girl, bro? In her own house, man. They watching what's this? Mimo. Damn, she hot. She hot as hell. For right reasons, too. Bros is really inside her house, man. No warrant or nothing. She said she was a loud ass bitch, too, bro. That shit funny as hell, bro. Why is the dude still in her house, man? For no reason. That's why I don't understand. Listen, bro. This is why I don't understand the police, bro. The police is really be out here making no sense, bro. Like, you way over here in this girl house wasting her time. Like, you know you got better stuff to do, man. You know you do. But you over here harassing this mother who over here watching probably like Nemo with her kids and her, you know what I'm saying? Like, she not even doing nothing, bro. That's what I understand, and this shit happens all the time. Most of this stuff happens all the time, bro. Like, just because it's not recorded doesn't mean it doesn't happen, bro. I experienced stuff like this, and I'm only 18 years old, man. I mean, I'm not even completely black. I'm light-skinned. Imagine how, bro, it's bad out there, man. The police need they need to train their mans. They need to train their people better, way better. And they're over here screaming, like, two police. Oh snap! Why the fuck they still? Bro, they scared, bro. They scared of her, bro. Look, I'd be scared as hell, bro. Preach. Get the fuck out of my face. That's what I ought to say. Damn. She got her finger up in the man's face. With your white ass. That's right. Right. Bro's got a gun. Black people killing. That shit not funny, bro. It's real talk. She got a whole reason to be mad. She has a complete good reason to be mad, man. They gonna have to leave. They still there, bro. I would've just been gone. I don't want no smoke with her. I would've been gone. I don't want no smoke from her, man. Right. What do you want? Guess what? You about to walk out my home, though, because I know my rights. Goodbye. Shut your ass Damn. Ain't got no warrant. Fuck out of here. Oh my father. Yeah.
When it comes to 1-year-old Dante, Pierre,
Look at this man.
you are the
Hold on. This man finna box in virtual reality, though. I ain't finna miss this. I ain't gonna miss this. Look, got all his homies, his family, everything. I already know what's gonna happen. He gonna smack the TV. He gonna smack the fuck out of the TV. Watch. Something gonna happen. He not, bruh. I played this like once or twice. That's it. I always wanted this in my house, man. What he gonna do? Ooh, 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 ooh. Bro, stop playing with me, bro. Stop. You see, bro's got knocked out. Bro's knocked him out. Yo. Bro's knocked him out. Watch this again, bro. Watch this again. Oh my God. He came in swinging. That boy came in swinging. Why he swing like that though? That's it. Still can't get over how Holly didn't recognize. How the fuck? Yo, bros had no idea. Look at this man. What the fuck? He is a genius for this, bro. A real life genius for this. Yo. Bros did it on the employees, bro. Oh my God. Look at this man, bro. What the hell is bro, what is this baby saying, bro? Look at her lips. Oh my God, why her lips so damn big? Oh, pufferfish have. Oh, let me stop, bro, because that baby, Jay-Z baby, hella. And look at her mom. That's low-key cute, though. You can't even lie. That's, what the hell? What the hell? You're lying. You're lying. Yo. That man for sure gay for that. I don't even, bro, listen. Even if he wasn't gay, that just made him gay. Just that happening made him gay, bro. You see how that shit, nah, bro. I can't, no, For sure. That man for sure homosexual. If y'all don't know the whole situation between the Zion Williamson and the Anthony Davis trade, if y'all sleeping underneath the rock, if none of y'all play watch or have anything to do with basketball, basically Anthony Davis was traded to the Los Angeles Lakers for Andrew Ingram. They traded Lonzo Ball, and they traded Josh Hart, and they got 2 first round picks. The Pelicans, they got Zion Williamson, but the Pelicans, they lost Anthony Davis, but they won Zion Williamson. So I mean, let's just watch this clip and see what they do. We never would have gotten David Griffin. Damn, that's tough. Oh, so it's basically naming all the NBA players that they got over Anthony Davis. So they not really mad that Anthony Davis is leaving. That's kind of messed up. Anthony Davis was the face of your franchise. I would be mad as shit. What is it? I can't even read that. What the fuck? Oh, this the train horn video. Look, this man has a train horn in his car. I'll throw the drinks at short. I'll throw the drinks at shorty, bro. You got me fucked up. Okay. Look at this man. Look at this. What is man stupid as hell for that? This man looked in the sky. You seen him? This man looked in the sky. What is stupid ass nigga? Fuck, I'm about to die. Bro's flinched. He finna drop all that. Oh, damn. That would've been funny, bro. I'm choking, bro. I'm choking, my nigga. I'm choking. Nigga, I'm for real choking, bro. Hell no.
Thanks, man.
Bro threw the drink. Hold on, bro. Hold on. This man threw the drink in the air. That shit funny as hell. Look at this man. Look how. Yeah. That was you, huh? How you not know it was him?
No, that wasn't me.
I wasn't me. What you talking about?
I'm sorry.
Yo, I'm dead. She over there hanging out from the window. Ain't she cussing? Oh yeah, she getting fired for sure. She getting fired. Didn't even take her food. They dummy disrespectful. Made that for no reason. Look at her, she finna.
What the hell was that?
It was a train horn.
Was that your car?
Nah, some jacket.
Oh my god.
I know.
He did it again. I knew he was finna.
That's you forgot your
Yo, that's funny.
Excuse me. Hello. You want an ice cream cone?
Like, yeah. That's gonna be messed up
We got an extra
if she just dropped it. That's crazy, bro. Anyways, man, that's gonna be the end of the video. If y'all do like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you like videos like this, man, let me know in the comment section. I will be doing more videos like this. Hit the notification bell. But anyways, bro, it's been your boy Jordan JR, man. I'm out. Peace.